now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Just moments ago, you heard Gio Benitez talking about the big travel week coming up next week. I have to say, though, looking at it from a weather standpoint, it looks like the weather across much of the U.S. for the big travel days of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday looks to be really quiet, which is good. I'm sure the airlines will appreciate that. I want to show you something kind of weird that happened last night. Cold front moved through right as we were on air at 11 o'clock and moved through the area about midnight, 1 o'clock from west to east. So what it did was it made the high temperatures today really wacky. Like 40s where the front passed through before midnight, but then when the front didn't get there to the southeastern Mass until after midnight, you were able to squeeze out 50s and 60s as we flipped the calendar to the next day. So the high temperatures in Cape Cod are going to go in the books in the 60s, but areas in northwest Rhode Island and areas like TF Green will only be in the 40s. That's what happens when a cold front moves through your area right as you change the day. So kind of weird how it's going to go in the books. But what ended up happening throughout the morning was the colder air rushes in, right? So even where you had 50s and 60s for the high temperature, it was pretty much in the 40s all day, and that's about where we are right now. And you got that strong wind. So 24-hour temperature change. I'm on air yesterday talking about 60s and 70. Hope you called out of work. Hope you had a great day. That breeze feels good. Boy, a lot changed, right? It feels 22 degrees colder in Smithfield today at this time than it did yesterday, and down to 16 temperature difference in Taunton now. I mean, this is a large spread. I mean, 20-degree difference in 24 hours is a big change. Adjust. Eastern U.S., that blue color, it was like lurking to our west yesterday. Well, it's here, hello, and now a really cold night ahead too. Look at all these little snow showers and rain showers. This is coming all the way from the Great Lakes. You've heard of great lake effect snow coming from the Great Lakes. You think upstate New York, maybe northeast Ohio. You don't really think of like Litchfield County in Connecticut, but it can happen. We've actually had lake effect snow showers make it all the way into northern Rhode Island. And it's a long way to go, but I don't think they'll make it here. But close call for sure. High pressure to our south and west is keeping that airflow right across the Great Lakes, and that's the reason why you got the lake effect snow. But it also means that we're on the east side of the high, which means cold night ahead. Hour by hour, clear skies, 40s become 30s, 30s become 20s by morning. This is a very cold night. And sunny and cool tomorrow. When you start off that cold, the best we could do in the afternoon is top out in the mid to upper 40s. A north wind 5 to 10. Southeastern Mass, sunny, cool for you. And your temperatures just kind of stuck in the mid to upper 40s. So you want to warm it up a little bit? Okay, we'll do that. How about 50s for Sunday? How's that sound? The problem is that it's not as bright. A lot of clouds on Sunday and eventually some rain at night. So you trade off, sunshine in 40s or cloudy in 50s. You pick the choice you like. We give you both options. It's wonderful. Futurecast, clear skies for tonight and cold. Wake up tomorrow, lots of sunshine. Bundle up in the morning and keep the jacket on in the afternoon. You'll see a few high clouds. What I mean by that is just a thin layer of clouds will build in the afternoon. But by the nighttime, I think it becomes overcast. That's actually not bad at night. It'll keep the temperatures from being really, really cold. And they'll also mean that you'll have more clouds in the forecast for Sunday. Not much in the way of rain during the day on Sunday. There's a few spotty showers close by. I think the better chance of rain, though, will come more at night on Sunday and then be with us for Monday. In fact, Monday looks like a big-time rain event, but it's confined to the northeast. That's what I mean. Travel next week, yeah, for our area, Monday kind of rainy, but you go to the rest of the U.S., not bad. And Tuesday and Wednesday, yeah, some clouds, but overall, for our area and much of the U.S., very quiet weather, just kind of cool. Thanksgiving Day, the turkey's kind of happy, sunshine, upper 40s, and back to the 50s for Friday when you're doing all that shopping with partly sunny skies. Tiffany?
Thanks, Jeff. The YMCA